Have a good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Mary Ann Lantano Cadiente, 37 years old, from Philippines. I'm married and I have 2 children. As a domestic helper, I have experience in Singapore for 2 years. I serve 3 members of the family. The one is the 86 years old lady. I take care of them and I do all the household courses. I wash the clothes. I cook a simple food. I ironing and I wash the dishes. And also in Saudi Arabia, my experience for 2 years, I serve 4 members of the family, 2 babies. The one is 1 year old in 8 months, and the baby girl is 4 years old. I do all the household courses. I clean the house, like mopping, wash the clothes, and I cook a simple food. And I love to take care of the babies. And if you hired me as your housemaid, I promise you I'm honest and long patient and a hardworking person. And I do my job well. Have a good day, ma'am and sir.